Hello, welcome to the 6th episode of PSLE Maths Series on ABCD. In our previous episode, we went through question 1 of worksheet 3. Today, we'll be going through question 3 of worksheet 3. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this worksheet in the description below. Now, let's get started. Geraldine left her house for school at 9:30 a.m. She drove at her usual speed for 3 hours before reaching her school. She took 30 minutes to park her car and submit her assignment. Then she started driving towards Punggol at 5 km per hour faster than her usual speed, so that she could meet her friend at 3 p.m. She managed to reach there half an hour earlier. Find the total distance traveled. So for this question, we do some amendment to make it simpler. It's over here. So we need to add over here that given that initially her friend is supposed to help Geraldine to submit the assignment, but the friend couldn't make it at the last minute. So basically, this half an hour that's taken to park and submit her assignment is not the initial plan. Okay? Therefore, the increase in speed is to cover away this particular rest over here. Okay, so drawing the timeline, you'll be able to get this. So at 9:30 a.m., 3 hours, so 9, then 10, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 3 hours, you drove at usual speed. And it's 3 hours. Okay, then half an hour, this is a break. Then okay, then over here it's 5 km per hour faster, and it's 2 hours. Then we actually reach half an hour earlier. Okay, then we'll start on this question. So basically, you realize that we need to first calculate the extra distance traveled here. So the extra distance traveled equals to 2 hours times 5 km per hour, which gives us 10 km. Okay? Then, so this 10 km is supposed to be covered in this half an hour and this half an hour, because we end up being faster. And this is the break, okay? So the usual speed will actually be equals to 10 km per hour in 1 hour. So coincidentally, this actually matches our unit for the speed. Therefore, we actually conclude that it's 10 km per hour. Okay, so the total distance traveled will be the time, or we need to find the total time, because initially what they planned, what Geraldine planned, is to actually leave her house at 9:30 and to reach her friend there at 3:30. Okay, so the total time will be equal to 3 hours plus half an hour plus 2 hours plus another half an hour. This will give us 6 hours. Okay, then the total distance will be equals to the total time, which is 6 hours, times the speed, which is 10 km per hour. And this will give us 60 km. So, ta-da, this will be the answer. So the total distance traveled by Geraldine will be 60 km. So apart from this question, there's actually 2 more questions available on the worksheets. This is question 1. And the answer for question 1 is 442 km. And this is question 2. The answer should be 104.125 km. Okay? So feel free to okay. So feel free to drop us an email if you have any challenging questions. Then we have included all our contact details in the description below. There is our email and there's our Instagram. Oh, there's also our blog. Okay, So that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have enjoyed it and also mastered something. Thank you. Here is Miss J signing off. Bye bye.